Hello teachers and students. We are going to see how we can log in into Adobe Express application on your Android mobiles. There will be same experience if you have iOS mobile as well. So I am into my application list on my Android mobile phone, and you can see there is a second application which is called as Adobe Express. I am going to launch that Adobe Express application. On the first page, it is going to ask me to sign in. As you have your school IDs, either students or teachers who are going to log in into Adobe Express to access premium features, always use the official school IDs. I'm going to use continue with email option, which is the last option in this list. So I'm going to click on continue with email. And I'm going to type here my school ID. So I have created one demo account so that I can showcase you how we can log in. So let's say I am going to type that demo account and then click on continue. Please remember, if teacher or student log in into their Adobe Express account for the first time, they have to enter their email ID twice. On the first screen, when you click on continue, it is going to redirect you to either Google or Microsoft login page. And there also you need to type email ID and then you can type your password. Because I have logged in several times in this account, so it is directly asking me to enter password. So I'm going to type here my password and then I'm going to click on sign in option. You can select yes or no, both option will work. Any option you can select and then you will be redirected to Adobe Express homepage. And this is how Adobe Express homepage looks like. At the top, you can see there is hi demo written because this is a demo account. So it is written hi demo. But in your case, you can see teacher or student name when you successfully log in. So it could be hi, your name right at the top. So that's it. We have learned how to log in into Adobe Express on our mobile phones. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this is helpful for you.